Innova 2.5 billion pages displayed last year, over 50 million monthly visits, the largest web developer site on the internet. W3schools is a web developer's site, with tutorials and references on web development languages such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, SQL, Python, jQuery, Java, W3, CSS, and Bootstrap, covering most aspects of web programming. The site derives its name from the World Wide Web, W3, but is not affiliated with the W3C. Was originally created in 1998 by Reefne Data, a Norwegian software development and consulting company. Easy Learning W3schools has focus on simplicity, practice easy and straightforward learning. W3schools uses simple code explanations with simple illustrations of how to use it. W3schools tutorials start from basic level and move all the way up to prof. You can edit examples and execute computer code experimentally, to see what works and what does not before implementing it. External references. W3schools is free.